What is electron volt?
An electron volt (eV) is a unit of energy used in physics, specifically in the study of atomic and subatomic particles. It is defined as the amount of energy gained or lost by a single electron when it moves through a potential difference of 1 volt in a vacuum. In other words, an electron volt is a very small amount of energy, equal to approximately 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 joules J. It is commonly used to express the energies of particles in atomic and nuclear physics, where the energies involved are often very small. For example, the mass of an electron is approximately 0.511 mega-electron volts c squared, mega-electron volts per speed of light squared, which means that its rest energy, the energy it has due to its mass, is equivalent to 0.511 mega-electron volts. Similarly, the energy released by the fusion of two hydrogen atoms to form a helium atom is approximately 0.7% of the rest mass of the hydrogen atoms, or about 4.3 million electron volts MeV.